Alright, this is my General Electric Home Sentry smoke alarm. It is from 1982, made by General Electric. New in the box. Got this off eBay. Let's see what we get. First, we get the alarm. As you can see, it's kind of square-ish. See, it's an ionization, so not something I'd really want installed in my home. But you can see the horn and the sensor with the red test button. And that's about it in there. You can see it comes with a General Electric instruction manual, safety precautions, 1-year warranty, General Electric. So let's go ahead and pop a battery in this. This is a very loud, obnoxious detector, which I guess you really want that, but I don't know how to describe the coding it does other than a very fast march time. But here we go. Alright, thank you for watching.